Oh, hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download, install texture pack for your Minecraft. This is not a Minecraft series. Yeah, that's so, but it will. It's not. It's just help for me. So let's get started. First of all, go to Google Chrome. Second of all, go to Planet Minecraft, because if you see Skyden, I'm not so good. So only because I see. So go to Planet Minecraft. Friends, in Planet Minecraft, you can scroll down and blah blah blah. That's all the stuff. So if you're in texture pack, I'm gonna teach you now. Go to texture pack and then search for your texture pack. After when you finish finding, you click on it. Mine is Mario Kart. Yeah, I'm gonna put the texture pack in the description below and the Planet Minecraft in the description below. Press download texture pack. You start downloading here. Don't touch anything, so you just minimize it, and then after that you open your Minecraft. I'm already using one texture pack, so when you go but I think you all know you go option and then texture pack. So after that